Unit 3, Section 8.4, Worked Examples. Determine the volume and surface area of the three-dimensional figure. Use the pi button on your calculator. This is a cylinder. The volume, the radius is 6 and the height is 14. Formula for volume equals pi r squared h. R is 6, so we put the 6 in and the 14, and I went ahead and simplified this, and I'm going to take 504 and multiply by pi. So I get 1583.36. And this is volume, so it's inches cubed. The surface area, here's the formula, and I went ahead and simplified down to pi, so I've got 28 pi plus 72 pi. Oh, that's not right. Let me just change the first number there. It should be something different than 28. 2 times 6 times 14 should be 168. 168 plus 72 is 240 pi is the correct answer there. And then I'm going to take 240 and multiply by pi. And I get 753.98. So my surface area is 753. And this is inches squared for surface area. The next problem is a sphere. Determine the volume and surface area of the sphere. And we notice they've given us the diameter, but we need the radius, and that's going to be half the diameter, or 6.5 centimeters. Here's my formula for the volume first. So 4/3 pi r cubed, where the radius is 6.5. I went ahead and simplified up to the point of multiplying by pi. So I've got 366.166667 times pi, and I get 1150.35. And this is centimeters cubed because it's volume. The surface area formula is shown here, which is simply 4 times pi r squared. The radius is 6.5. It simplifies to 169 pi. $530.93. And this is going to be centimeters. I apologize for my pen. I'm not sure why it's not working very well. Centimeters squared. A building contractor is building a backyard playground and wishes to put down a rubber mulch to provide safety from falls. The contractor wishes to put the mulch in a pit in the shape of a rectangular solid 21 feet long, 14 feet wide, and 9 inches deep. Determine the volume in cubic feet of mulch the contractor will need, and then we're going to figure out the price of the mulch. Rectangular solid, we need to find the volume, but we notice that we have different units here. We have feet and feet, but then we have inches, and everything has to be in the same unit. So I'm going to convert the 9 inches to feet. 9 divided by 12 gives me 3/4 of a foot. My formula for volume is length times width times height, or depth in this case. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to multiply 21 times 14 times 0.75. And I get 220.5. Apologize for my pen. It's not working very well. And this is going to be feet cubed. And so we've got the price per cubic foot of the mulch is $8. So we're going to take the 220.5 and multiply by 8 to get the total cost. And I still have that 220.5 in my calculator. So my total cost of the mulch is going to be $1,764.